Hey y'all, I am going to do a video real fast for you guys on a package that I received today. As you can see, it came from Coach. I got this bag from Bloomingdale's and they were having a sale, so I was able to snatch up this item. So let me show you what I got. And it's wrapped up really nicely. Y'all, I got the Cassie in the color Taupe with the silver hardware. It's really a pretty bag. I love that color. And I had went back and forth with this bag to see if I really wanted it. And I decided to go ahead and get it because this is probably as close to a like a really neutral color that I'm gonna get as far as the Cassie bag, because like I said, I do want, hopefully they will get the saddle one over here or whatever. But anyway, like I said, I got this bag from Bloomingdale's. They were having a sale and I was able to snatch it up, and every time that I thought about buying the bag, it kept being sold out. So I got lucky one night and was able to get it. So here it is, and the silver hardware is really cute. And there's the side, there's the back. Other side. Here's the tag. It retails for $3.50, and of course I didn't pay that. So, and it's pretty much, it's just like all the other Cassie videos. Everything is pretty much the same. Except for this interior. Yeah, I think it's about the same as the other color interiors. And then here's my disc bag. But here's the inside of the bag. Still have the same old 3 compartments. I ain't never really paid attention to this little opening right there. But, yep, here it is. In the taupe color. Really pretty color. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then here's the strap, of course. There's the strap. And I'm not sure when I'm going to carry this bag. Maybe this summer sometime I may whoop it out. Well, we shall see. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the little Coach Cassie in this color. And I do have another Cassie coming, and I will show you all that one once it gets here. And after I get that one, I think that'll be it for a while as far as Cassie's. But like I said, I am going to get the black one. But I can get it later in the year because it's just, I mean, it's just black, ain't nothing special. I shouldn't have a hard time trying to get that one. But yeah, this silver hardware or nickel or whatever color you call it, is really cute. But this is the color taupe. Really, 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 really pretty. Pretty color. And I like this. It's a very neutral color, so it'll go with pretty much anything. It's like a nude color, kind of, sort of. That's what it puts you in the mind of. Just a nude color. Really pretty bag though. I love that. I wish they would make a black one with this this silver hardware. Now that would be cute. If they make a black one with the silver hardware, it'll be cute, y'all. But I just wanted to show you guys this bag real fast before I go to bed, because I did get it today. And I just want to do a quick video on it so you guys can see it. And then once I start carrying, of course, I'll do it what's in my bag. But it's probably pretty much going to be about the same as my other ones. But anyway, and I will talk to you guys later. If y'all have any questions, just to let me know, like always. Bye.